So I once took an Uber trip that lasted about 30 minutes or thereabouts. Got to my house, tried to pay the Uber guy, but I couldn't pay him. I opened my Kuda app. When I go to transfer, try to make a transfer, it just wasn't working. When I go to the transfer page, it just keeps loading and loading and loading. The app would let me log in, but it wouldn't let me enter the person's account number or even load up the banks. So it's like every time I go to that bank transfer page, it just keeps loading. This went on for like 5 minutes and I was really, really frustrated. And I brought this up, I shared this with my guys and they were telling me, oh, that has happened to me before. It's like a thing with Kuda, right? Someone suggested change my network from MTN to another network and try again. I got a bunch of suggestions, but the one that really worked for me was setting up a VPN. So if you're one of those people who has a VPN on their phone, or maybe you've had a VPN since the time that, the Nigerian government banned Twitter, then just turn on your VPN when that happens. If you cannot make a transfer on the Kuda app, turn on your VPN, close the Kuda app, reopen it, and it should work fine. So the VPN I've used to try this so many times, is Windscribe. When I open Windscribe and, I just turn it on and enable it, it starts working fine. I can make transfer. Once I'm done with the transfer, I turn off my VPN and that's it. So that's the solution to this Kuda transfer problem. I'm really hoping that they are going to look into it in the future, maybe in a future update, and finally get it to work for everyone again. Let me know if you've experienced this before, and let me know if the VPN solution works for you. I'll see you guys. Bye.